For the spicy glaze, slice chili, add to a food processor, followed by ginger, garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. Give it a quick blitz and transfer to a pan. Now reduce to a glaze. When thick, add to a bowl to cool. Next, transfer the salmon to a tray, add half of the glaze, and marinate for 30 minutes. Now place the salmon under the broiler and cook. Also baste the salmon with the glaze every 2 minutes. This will keep it moist and packed full of flavour.